Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making baked fish roll. So these are our fish, roasted fish, our flour for the dough, 250 gram of butter, 500 gram of flour. We have an egg, baking powder. This is our already chopped onion, our seasonings, our grated carrots, and our fish. It's a roasted fish that we're going to use. So let's get right onto it. So we'll start with making the dough. This is our dough, 500 gram of flour. So add in a pinch of salt and baking powder. That's half tablespoon of baking powder. We'll mix everything with butter, 250 gram. We'll mix them until they resemble fine breadcrumbs. Keep watching.
Storms of life abound, I'll call out your name. When the sun refuses to shine, I will praise you. When I feel like I'm alone, I'll sing this song to you, Lord. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. You're my lover, my lover, my lover, my lover. Yes, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. You're my lover, my lover, my lover, my lover. Yes, yes,
After mixing for a bit, we'll add a cup of water to form the dough. So after mixing, we'll wrap it in a cling film and keep in the fridge to rest for 30 minutes. Keep watching.
hold me dear Lord, into a perfect shape, yeah. Let me be your song, sing me to the world. Let me be the drum, and you the drummer. Let me be your friend, that's all I ask of you, Lord. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. You're my lover, my lover, my lover, my lover. Yes, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, Lord. You're my lover.
So at this point, as the dough is in the fridge, we'll start mixing our other ingredients for the fish roll. So everything has to come together: the fish, the chopped onions, the grated carrots, the seasonings. We'll mix them all together to combine.
You're my lover, Lord. You're my lover, Lord.
You can see they're all coming together. They're all coming together. So it's 30 minutes now and our dough has been well rested in the fridge. So bring it out for rolling. You will not roll it to be too flat. It's not going to be very flat. So after rolling, we'll trim the sides. You see that you make it square or you make it rectangle. Depends on how you roll your dough. So that you're able to arrange the filling. So we'll cut any excesses out. Trim the sides. So our fillings will be well structured. So at this point, we want to add in our filling. See the way we are lining them up. We have to line them up because we want to roll them. You can see the way I rolled them. You can see the way I rolled it. You do same for another one. You roll again, yeah. You roll 2 times or thrice. It depends on what you want. I'm making this for my family, for my girl. It's her birthday, so I decided to make fish roll for her.
Let me be your song, sing me to the world. Let me be the drum, and you the drummer. Let me be your friend, that's all I ask of you, Lord. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
So we have to cut to size before we egg wash. I'm doing that to give it a shape, like a design. You can even use a fork to prick it, or decide to leave it plain. Depends on what you want. I'm cutting it to be the same sizes. I don't want anyone bigger than the other. So we have our already greased pan. I butter the pan. So we have to arrange them. We give space apart. See how I line them up? So this is where the egg comes in. We have to egg wash it before we put them inside the oven. So it will have this crispy brown color when it's ready and when it comes out. So it will go inside the oven for 45 to 1 hour. Depends on your temperature. On the oven's temperature rather. The fish roll is ready. Yay! Wow. Wow, it's ready.